on this 2010 to 2017 Honda Accord with the 2.4 gas engine. B1077 points to a windshield wiper motor park signal error in the MICU and front wiper circuit. In plain language, the control unit may not be seeing the wiper park signal the way it expects. The driver may notice the wipers not working correctly, not parking correctly, or the fault may show up during a scan even if the concern is intermittent. The possible fault areas are the wiper motor, the park signal circuit, the wiper power and ignition feeds, ground, relay circuit board, wiring between the relay board and under-dash fuse and relay box, and the MICU inside the under-dash fuse and relay box. Work this one in order, because the first split is whether the wiper motor actually runs. Start by clearing the DTCs with the HDS. Cycle the ignition to lock 0 and then back to on Roman 2, or use the engine start/stop button to go OFF and then back on. Turn the windshield wiper switch to LOW or high for 15 seconds or more, then turn the switch OFF. Now answer the first question. Does the wiper motor work? If it does, go straight into code confirmation. If it does not, skip ahead to the fuse and feed side of the diagnosis. If the wiper motor works, check for DTCs with the HDS. If B1077 is indicated again, continue with the wiper motor park signal test path. If B1077 is not indicated, treat it as an intermittent failure. The system is okay at this time. With the ignition in lock 0, or the start/stop system in OFF mode, perform the windshield wiper motor test. The key question is whether the motor runs and pulses normally. If it does not run and pulse normally, replace the windshield wiper motor. If it does run and pulse normally, move to the FR wiper as line check. For the FR wiper as line, disconnect the windshield wiper motor for P connector and under-dash fuse/relay box connector E, 36P. Jumper windshield wiper motor for P connector No. 4 WHT to body ground. Then check continuity between under-dash fuse/relay box connector E, 36P No. 28 WHT and body ground, with the ignition in lock 0 or OFF mode. If there is continuity, repair a short to ground in the wire. If there is no continuity, repair an open or high resistance in the wire. If the first check showed the wiper motor does not work, check fuse No. A 12-8 30A at the underhood fuse/relay box and fuse No. B12-7 5A at the under-dash fuse/relay box. If both fuses are okay, continue to the power feed checks. If either fuse is not okay, replace the fuse. If the fuse blows again, repair the short to ground in the No. A 12-8 30A and or No. B12-7 5A fuse circuit. Next, disconnect relay circuit board connector B, 14P. With the ignition in lock 0 or OFF mode, measure voltage between relay circuit board connector B, 14P No. 10 red and body ground. If there is battery voltage, the plus B wiper wire is okay and you continue. If there is not battery voltage, repair an open or high resistance in that wire. Now disconnect relay circuit board connector C10P. Turn the ignition to on Roman 2, or select on mode with the start/stop button. With relay circuit board connector B, 14P, and connector C10P disconnected, measure voltage between relay circuit board connector C10P No. 7 P and K and body ground. If there is battery voltage, the IG1 wiper wire is okay. If there is not battery voltage, repair an open or high resistance in that wire. Turn the ignition back to lock 0, or select OFF mode. With relay circuit board connectors B, 14P, and C10P still disconnected, check continuity between relay circuit board connector B, 14P No. 3 BLK and body ground. If there is continuity, the ground wire is okay. If there is no continuity, repair an open or high resistance in the ground wire or a poor ground at G301. With the feeds and ground checked, test the relay circuit board. If the relay circuit board is okay, continue into the control line and motor circuit continuity checks. If the relay circuit board is not okay, replace the relay circuit board. Disconnect under-fuse/relay box connector E36P. With the ignition in lock 0 or OFF mode, under-connector E disconnected, and relay circuit board connectors B14P and C10P disconnected, jumper relay circuit board connector B14P no. 12 per to body ground. Check continuity between under-fuse/relay box connector E36P no. 22 per and body ground. If there is continuity, the FR wiper int RLYCL wire is OK. If there is no continuity, repair an open or high resistance in the wire. Next, keep the connectors disconnected and jumper relay circuit board connector B14P no. 4 LT blue to body ground. Check continuity between under-fuse/relay box connector E36P no. 29 LT blue and body ground. If there is continuity, the wiper high/low RLYCL wire is OK. If there is no continuity, repair an open or high resistance in the wire. Now disconnect the windshield wiper motor for P connector. With OFF mode selected, under-connector E disconnected, relay circuit board connectors B and C disconnected, and the wiper motor connector disconnected. Check continuity between relay circuit board connector B14P no. 2 GRI and windshield wiper motor for P connector no. 3 GRI. If there is continuity, the FR wiper high wire is OK. If there is no continuity, repair an open or high resistance in the wire. Then check the low-speed circuit. With the same disconnected setup, check continuity between relay circuit board connector B14P no. 11 ORN and windshield wiper motor for P connector no. 1 ORN. If there is continuity, the FR wiper low wire is OK. If there is no continuity, repair an open or high resistance in the wire. After the feed, ground, relay board, control line, and motor circuit checks pass, perform the windshield wiper motor test again. If the wiper motor runs and pulses normally, the fault is in the MICU. Replace the under-fuse/relay box. If the wiper motor does not run and pulse normally, replace the windshield wiper motor. The clean way through B1077 is to split the diagnosis early. If the motor works, prove the park signal side. If it does not, prove the fuses, feeds, ground, relay board, control lines, and motor circuits before making the final call. Take your time with connector identification and continuity setup, because this code depends on the MICU seeing the correct wiper park behavior. For more diagnostic training, visit Diagnostics.com.